Lately I've been having oil spritzing on the track. Right there. And I get it there. And there. And there's some black residue. You can see it's been going on for a bit down there. And you can see it slowly drips down to the underbody as well. And it seems to only happen at high temps on track, not when daily driving. Doesn't seem to cause any sort of oil volume loss, but I'm thinking it's from the oil cooler gasket. Here's the gasket I'm going to be using to replace. It's a part number. You need a 24mm deep socket, same one you used to install this guy. I'm replacing this just because I over torqued it on the racetrack to stop it from spritzing. It worked, probably a dumb idea, not saying I'm going to recommend it, but that's what I did. And then we got some picks here to help with a gasket install. Alright, so after I got this loose, I was able to pick this up and tilt it a little bit, just enough to get the pick under there and get the old one out. And then I kind of had just by hand just kind of put the other one on there, make sure it's fully seated. And I'm going to tighten her down and give her a test. One quick trick here, make sure these hoses are in the right orientation. You can put your hand in here, hold that in place while you're torquing that guy down to 40 foot-pounds. Alright, well I took it for a spin, got a little hot, some ripping around, and I'm not seeing any overspray in the areas I was seeing before, so at the very least we didn't make it any worse. Won't really know if it solved the oil spritzing issue until we're on the track, but at least there you go for changing the gasket in your oil cooler one way or the other. I'll put an update for how well it worked for my issue on the track, and if it's that or it was something else, down in the about section.